Hey guys, in this video I will show you how much N8 costs. Alright, let's begin. The starter plan costs $24 per month. It gives you one shared project, 5 concurrent executions, unlimited users, and forum support. This plan is hosted by N8N, so you don't need to manage infrastructure yourself. Next, the Pro plan costs $60 per month. It includes everything from the starter plan plus 3 shared projects, 20 concurrent executions, 7 days of insights, admin roles, global variables, workflow history, and execution search. This plan is also hosted by N8N, making it simple for teams. Finally, the Enterprise plan is customizable and suited for larger businesses. It includes unlimited shared projects, more than 200 concurrent executions, 365 days of insights, advanced security features, Git version control, scaling, extended data retention, and dedicated support. For this plan, you'll need to contact N8N for a custom quote. So that's basically how much N8 costs. That's it for this video. Thanks.